Okay, hello again, ladies and gentlemen. All right, this time I'm going to be going over the volume of a cone, ditto 6705. Okay, the first question that you asked me to go over here was number 5. All right, so remember, all of these formulas that involve circles, okay, are we're going to be using the radius. All right, in this case, it's asking for the diameter. Okay, so you need to solve for the radius and then double it to get the diameter. All right, so how are we going to do that? So our volume here is 314. So I'm going to write 314 equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, h, which is 6. Right, 6. All right, so this 6 times this 1/3, that's 2. So I can do 314 equals 2 pi r squared. I just replaced this 1/3 times 6 with a 2. Now I can divide both sides by 2 pi. Divide by 2 pi, and that's going to give me my radius squared. Okay, so 314 divided by 2 pi is going to give me 49.97. Okay, then when I take the square root of both sides, I get that the radius is going to equal 7.069. Okay, again, that's the radius now. I need the diameter. So 2 times that number is going to give me 14.13 for the diameter. Then I look where I need to round it. Okay, I need to round to the nearest foot. So that's going to be 14. Okay, so and that's going to be in straight units. So it's going to be just 14 feet. Okay, so that's that one. So that's number 5. The next one was number 9. Okay, revolving an isosceles right triangle about one of its legs, okay, generates a cone. So I've got this. Okay, this is an isosceles right triangle. Okay, the length of the hypotenuse is 9 radical 2. Okay, you'll remember from our special right triangles that if this is a isosceles right triangle, that's going to make each of these legs 9. Okay, so if I'm going to rotate that, okay, around one of its legs, I'm going to get a cone that looks like this. Okay, cone is going to look like this. Okay, its radius is going to be 9 and its height is going to be 9. Okay, so now it's just a matter of using the volume formula. So volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h, which is going to be 1/3 pi. Well, r squared is going to be 81. That's 9 times 9. This radius is 9 times the height, which is also 9. Okay. So just doing a little math in my head here, this 9 times this 1/3 is just 3. This 9 times 1/3 is 3. 3 times 81 is 243 pi. Okay, and it says in terms of pi. That means I don't multiply my final answer by pi, and I don't round it. Okay, that's the answer in terms of pi. 243 pi, and my units are inches cubed for that one. Okay, so that's how you do number 9. Okay, number 10. That was the last one. Okay, volume of a right circular cone is 21 pi. So the volume is 21 pi. I know that equals 1/3 pi r squared, and then the altitude is 7. Okay, and I need to solve for the radius, but the final answer needs to be the diameter. So I'm going to have to double it. All right, so first I'm going to solve for the radius. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of the 1/3. That's going to be 63 pi. That's going to equal pi r squared times 7. Well, I can divide both sides by pi, and those go away. If I divide both sides by pi, I can divide both sides by 7. Divide by 7, divide by 7. That's going to give me that 9 equals r squared. So r equals 3. Double it, my diameter equals 6. Okay, and you're done with that one. All right, so that's it. That's it for the volume of a cone. All right, see you next time.